Hey there! Have you ever wondered why we hiccup? It's a funny little thing our bodies do. Let's find out why. A hiccup happens when a muscle called the diaphragm suddenly contracts. This muscle helps us breathe by moving up and down. When the diaphragm contracts suddenly, air gets sucked into our lungs quickly. Then, the space between our vocal cords closes up, making the hic sound. We can get hiccups from eating too quickly, drinking fizzy drinks, or even laughing too much. They can also happen when we're excited or nervous. To stop hiccups, people try all sorts of tricks like drinking water, holding their breath, or getting a surprise. Sometimes they work, sometimes they don't. So next time you get the hiccups, you'll know what's going on inside your body. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more fun facts. See you next time.